Hello, this is English News Broadcast on ERi-TV for Sunday evening, 25th of August 2024. We're live from Asmara and thank you for joining us. Here are stories making headlines. Contribution of social service provision institutions. Greening campaign in Dubarwa subzone. Russia asks Germany to investigate Nord Stream pipeline blasts. Cambodia's Prime Minister welcomes artifacts return at home. The social service provision institutions put in place in Maret administrative area, Nafa subzone, reported that are significantly contributing in the improvement of the livelihoods of the residents. The report was made by Mr. Hamid Hamid, administrator of the administrative area. Mr. Hamid, indicating that there is equitable distribution of potable water supply, health and educational service in the administrative area, said that the increasing use of the public on the social service provision institution attests to the developed awareness of the public. Regarding portable water supply, Mr. Hamid said that with the integrated effort on the part of the government and the public, over 7 micro-dams have been constructed and are significantly contributing in ensuring water supply for both the residents and livestock. Mr. Hamid further noted that in the past, the residents were compelled to travel to Nafa to seek health treatments, and currently, the residents and especially pregnant women are getting commendable health service from the health facility put in place in their vicinity. He also said that elementary and junior school have been constructed in Roraqayeh, Wageret, and Maret, and are contributing in the increased enrollment of students and especially of female students. Maret administrative area is located 25 kilometers west of Nafa and is resident to over 5,000 people. Members of the Association of Tourism Service Provision Institutions in Dubarwa subzone have conducted 3 seedling planting popular campaign on 5 hectares of reserved land at Mbamakonnen. Mr. Girmaita Walde, chairman of the association, said that at the popular campaign in which 200 members of the association took part, over 10 kilometers of terraces have been constructed and 1,000 tree seedlings have been planted. Mr. Solomon Fuadu, chairman of the association in the southern region, on his part said that before 2 years, areas of planting tree seedlings have been allocated to the association in all the subzones of the region, and that commendable initiative is being taken by members of the association in Dubarwa, Maidima, and Araza subzones. Mr. Solomon also urged on the members of the association to conduct regular follow-up on the planted tree seedlings for their safety and sustainability. Those were local news updates. Stay tuned for international ones. Russia has officially requested Germany to investigate the sabotage of Nord Stream pipeline, Russian Foreign Ministry officials said. Russia is pushing for negotiation to ensure Germany meets its international obligation in fight against terrorism, said Oleg Tyapkin, director of the 3rd European Department at the Russian Foreign Ministry. Expressing dissatisfaction with the progress of the German investigation, Tyapkin said that German authorities have recently issued an arrest warrant for one of the suspected perpetrators, a Ukrainian national. He noted that German media have been promoting the narrative that these individuals acted independently and were not connected to any state, but warned that this could lead to the investigation being closed without identifying the true mastermind behind the sabotage. In September 2022, the Nord Stream 1 and Nord Stream 2 natural gas pipeline exploded and sustained severe damage in territorial waters of Sweden and Denmark. Prior to explosion, Russia used the Nord Stream 1 pipeline to transport natural gas from Siberia to Germany and other European countries. Cambodia's Prime Minister led a celebration for the return of dozens of precious artifacts from museums and private collectors abroad and said his government will continue working to bring more home. Han Manet, who became Prime Minister last year when he succeeded his long-serving father, Han Sen, said the 70 returned statue symbolically reunite the Cambodian people with their ancestral souls. The artifacts were displayed at the Peace Palace, the seat of the country's government. Many, if not all, the pieces were looted during a long period of civil war and instability while Cambodia was ruled by the brutal communist Khmer Rouge regime in the 1970s. Cambodia has benefited from a trend in recent decades that has seen the repatriation of art and archaeological treasures taken from their homelands. These include ancient Asian artworks as well as pieces lost or stolen in turmoil in places such as Syria, Iraq, and Nazi-occupied Europe. Before we go, we have a quick recap of the top stars. Contribution of social service provision institutions. Greening campaign in the Barbasab zone. Russia asks Germany to investigate Nord Stream pipeline blasts. Cambodia's Prime Minister welcomes artifacts returning home. And that wraps up our news broadcast for now. Thank you for watching. Good night, everyone.